Minnie Mouse.
Wow. You're going to be a coloring fool. We need to get you your own room.
This is pretty cool.
Don't let her open mine until I come back.
Where are you going?
Whoa. Cool.
Do you know what that is? That's spin art.
Spin
You stick a piece of paper in here and you put your little drop, turn it on, it spins around, you put little drops of ink in there and it spins it and makes art like that. Isn't that neat?
We gotta wait for Shannon to open some more. Okay?
You want to do Daddy's special one?
I'll get it.
You're going to need to help her get out the bag.
Which bag's it in?
That's
The
one.
brave one.
Look, it's in a brave bag.
I've got that one for that reason.
Big.
Here, Morgan. You can videotape her.
You're in the way, Dad.
Oh, decorative. It's a box. It's a
Yeah, happy birthday.
I got you a box.
What's in it?
Nothing. It's an empty box. So you just got styrofoam.
I got styrofoam for my birthday.
Yep. Happy birthday, kid.
What's in it?
I need a knife. Shannon, go get me a knife.
I wonder what's in this styrofoam.
Smallwood's fine. I'm not doing surgery. Wait. Wait.
What is, why does this say that? No, where's the Sophia? Where's Sophia on this side? What about this side? Where's
This is
who's that?
special.
Who's that?
Thanks, Dad. I thought you didn't get me anything, but you really did.
Show.
Here, show the camera.
Well, let me get this stuff out of the room first.
Oh, Merida. And her mom. Thanks, Daddy.
You want to see what it does? Ooh,
Nice go, Dad.
is there anything in there that can break it?
No.
Can it break?
Yes.
There it goes.
We'll put this up like we do all the snow globes so that you can have it
No, it's my present. I'll get it.
when you move the hell out of the house.
I got moved out of the house.
Not for a long time. Well, not ever really.
Oh, this is cool. Yeah.
It's very pretty.
Pretty, isn't it? You like it?
Yeah, thank you. Bennett.
All right, let's put it up.
Dad, take your phone.
Well, keep videotaping for just a second.
Whoa.
That's from me.
That's from Shannon.
Here, let me hold. Let me hold.
Let's
Jenny,
move the
open
knife
it.
before someone gets cut. Yeah.
It's the pink dancing shoe. Thanks, Dad. I mean, Shannon.
This is for school.
Can I read it?
No. Who is it?
Sophia?
Isn't that the one you wanted?
Yeah.
One more. It's a lunchbox. It's Sophia.
You get to go to
I
school.
can't get to my other presents.
Okay, calm down.